Hello guys, the major is here. So the last video I uploaded here, I promised you guys that I'll be dropping another video on how to scalp with this strategy. Remember, I told you guys that this strategy you can equally use it to scalp and catch spikes on boom and crash. Okay, so the last video was mainly on I discussed on how to catch spikes with this strategy. Okay, then this today's video that I'm dropping now, we'll be talking about how to scalp with this strategy. As you can see, I just opened a few positions now on B1000. We are scalping this B1000 with this strategy. Okay, guys. So let's see how it goes. We are catching just 5 candles or 7 candles, and we are out. So let's say our 5 candles might get to this level here. All depends. So we can see one candle down already. Then we're looking for to see 4 more candles. Then we are out. We make our money and we out. We look for another opportunity just like that, or maybe sometimes 10 candles. All depends on how you feel and how the market structure is being um, arranged. Okay, so yeah, and also this stuff you're seeing here, you also need a basic knowledge on on price action. Okay, for you to survive this market, you need to know price action is very important. Okay, because you must not rely 100% on indicators. Okay, it fails sometimes. Okay, so you need to learn how to analyze the market yourself. You need to work like the indicators you're seeing here. So I can be your mentor. You can choose any other person to learn how to how to analyze the market the right way. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys the settings for this strategy. Okay, so if you are new on our channel and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do that right now, please, and leave a comment and like this video. And please don't forget to join our free Telegram channel for updates and other stuffs, right? And signals as well. You can see right here we have alligator on the main chart, and also we have alligator here under an indicator window one. Yeah, and also we have our RSI. Now, when you are scalping, you don't really make use of RSI because it's hard for RSI to get to this level, the over bot level. Okay, for boom and for crash, hard for it to get to oversold level. Okay, so what we do is when we see this, when you see this alligator at over bot level for boom. Okay, so what we'll be looking for is we need to be certain, we need to be sure that price has gotten to this level here. Then there should be a cross here. Okay, there should be a cross here. These indicators here, these two, the green and the red indicator, should cross themselves here at this very point here. You can see what happened here at this very point. There's a cross here. Okay, you see the green indicator crossing the red indicator. Once it crosses here, once it crosses the red indicator, what you're doing, you open a position there and take 5 candles or 7 candles. Okay, you don't need to take more, because before I tell you to take 5 to 7 candles, um I've used this strategy and I've practiced it over time. I know that whenever price gets to a certain level, it spikes. Okay, so what you need to do is for you to count 5 candles or 7 candles and you're out. You can see here we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth candles. That cannot be the fifth candle. Okay, so after this candle we might close because it's almost at this point here. This point can be served as a support here, so we might close around this level here. So just one candle and we are out, guys. Yeah, so whenever you see at this at the overbought area here, then you see the green indicator crossing the red indicator at this level here, and also you have a confirmation at this very point here. You see the cross right there. You're opening a position at that very point. Okay, once you open a position, you count 5 candles and you're out. If you check back here, we have the same thing over and over. Okay, so let me quickly close this now, then we come back for for more. Let me close some positions and leave some, okay? Okay, just close those positions because of this level here, because of what I have here, because of what I have right here. Okay, I decided to close in case price comes to this level. It doesn't kick me out. It doesn't spike around this level here because it might spike around this level. It might this place might be seen as support. Okay, so price might spike at this very point. Okay, so what you need to do, you can see here when you move back to this point, you can see price has been respecting this strategy. You can see the green indicator crossing the red indicator here, and the same thing here. You open the position here, you take 5 candles, right, and you're out. Same thing here. Whenever it's coming from down, whenever it's coming from down like this, yeah. So whenever it comes from down to the upside, what you need to do, take 5 candles, right? Take 5 candles and you're out. Like what happened here. Sorry, that one didn't touch. Okay, like what we have here. Like what we have here. You see the crossing. You see the green indicator crossing the red indicator, and you sell, you short at that very point. The same thing here, you short at this very point. Once they cross uh the green indicator cross the red indicator right here, you're selling at that very point. Okay, we move back again, same thing here. Then we check crash 1000. Okay, you can see crash 1000, right? You can see crash 1000. You can see green indicator crossing the red indicator at this oversold area here, and we have the same confirmation here on the main chart. We are buying at this very point. We are buying at this very point. You can see how many candlesticks. See how many candlesticks. So you take like 5 to 7 candlesticks and you're out. And the P1000, it hasn't spiked. It's still going down. That's not spiked yet. It's still going down. So that's how the strategy works. So let me show you guys the settings in case you didn't see the settings there. Okay, we have should I say 2 or 3 indicators here. We have on the main chart, we have alligator on the main chart. We have alligator on the main chart. So what you need to do is for you to open here, click on this what looks this stuff that looks like sorry, here. Click on this for you to bring indicators, right? Then after clicking there, after clicking that, what you open there and click on indicator, add indicator to the main chart. Okay, you can see the just period is 13, just shift is 8, fifth is fifth period is 6. Please, I want you guys to screenshot these stuffs. Okay, then the teeth shift is 5, lips period is 5, lips shift is 3, then method is smoothed, applied to median price. Okay, then the styles, under the styles, remember, under styles you see just style is 1 pixel and the color should be white if you're using white background, but if you're using black, then it should be black. Then teeth style should be 2 pixel and the lip style should be 2 pixel, and you choose any color you prefer. I love this red and green. Okay, then you click on done. On the indicator window 1, you bring relative strength index first. Okay, the period here is 14. Apply to close. You can see the levels here. We have 95, we have 90, we have 10, we have 5. Okay, you go back and click on done. Then you add alligator. You can see the settings. It's the same thing with the one you have on the main chart. Okay, you can see the setting. Sorry, the same you have on the main chart. You click on done. That's it, guys. Okay, so it's very simple. Whenever you see for crash, let me show you crash. Yeah, so for crash, sorry, whenever you see price at the oversold level like what we have here, and you see the green indicator crossing the red indicator down here, you are buying. Down here you are buying. Okay, The same thing here. You have another confirmation here. You're buying at this point. Once it crosses, you're buying. Okay, for crash, you're buying for crash. Oh, my network is really bad right now. It's struggling to load. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. And don't forget to join my VIP for signal VIP signals. Okay, we are doing the most over there. Join our VIP signal for high probability signals. Okay, and you can enroll for mentorship. Like I said, price action. Price action is the best. Price action gonna help you become a successful trader tomorrow. Okay, and once you have price action, there's nothing like it repaints, like a strategy that repaints. Okay, price action is just there. It does not repaint. It's just there. You make your profit. Like it's with you. It's a skill that it cannot be taken away from you once you have the skill. So you need to learn. You really need to learn how to analyze the market yourself, how to to make your money yourself. You don't need to rely on indicators, because these indicators you are seeing here, they are following the price, they are following the candlesticks. While you, if you learn price action, you'll be ahead of the candlesticks. You can you can predict what the market will do in the next 5 days, okay, or the next 2 days, or the next few hours. Okay, so you need to learn price action. You must not learn price action from me. You can learn from any other person, but make sure you learn price action. Okay, I love you guys. That'll be all for now. Bye bye.